This is Premier Water and Sewer. Say lateral inspection video at 33 North Kern. Originally we tried to do the inspection from inside and there was terrible offset right at the transition from 3-inch cast to 4-inch PVC. So we dug that up. Out here we push all the way to the main. See it's tying in directly on top of the main. Back. Can't tell if it's 6 or 4. So we're underwater. There's also a pool in the backyard. Makes a detour around the pool. Leads to the main. There's a clean out right there. Now I believe we're in 4-inch PVC. Transition was somewhere around that clean out. This is the hole we have dug. 3-inch coming out of the house. That'll conclude the video.